Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Clean Ganga Mission. National Mission for Clean Ganga, one of the ambitious projects launched by central government, is still a work in progress. However, 7 years since the launch, treatment plants installed has capable of treating just 20% of the sewage estimated to be generated in the 5 major states that lie along the river. The coverage is expected to increase to 33% and 60% by 2024 and 2026 respectively. Now let us talk about Namami Ganga Mission. The government launched an integrated Ganga conservation mission called Namami Gange to arrest the pollution of Ganga River in 2014. River Ganga has significant economic, environmental and cultural value in India. NMCG is being implemented by the National Council for Rejuvenation, Protection and Management of River Ganga, also known as the National Ganga Council. The main objective of the Namami Ganga mission is to ensure that no untreated sewage flows into the river. Projects to set up STPs and sewage networks are at the heart of the Namami Ganga mission and account for about 80% of the overall project outlay. The river's water quality is now within prescribed limits of notified primary bathing water quality.